Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Spotify Premium subscription using a web browser. Whether you're on a phone or computer, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Spotify website. This works on your iPhone, Android device, or desktop browser. Next, log into your account. If you're on a phone, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Login. On a desktop, just click Login in the top right. Once you're signed in, head to your account page. On mobile, tap the menu icon again and select Account. On desktop, click on your profile name in the top right corner and then choose Account from the drop-down. Now, scroll down until you see the Your Plan section. Under that, click or tap on Change Plan. Scroll down the page until you see the Spotify Free section. Right below that, select Cancel Premium. Spotify will show you a page explaining what you'll lose if you cancel Premium. Scroll down and click Continue to cancel. You'll be asked one more time. Go ahead and click Continue to cancel again. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking Yes. Cancel. And that's it. Your Spotify account will revert to the free version at the end of your current billing cycle. You won't lose your playlists or saved music, just the premium features. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more quick tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.